Alright everybody, for this dance we're going to do the wave with our hands. So go ahead and lock your hands, put your elbows out, follow along with us. Are we ready?
Until I start to stand out. Stand out.
Let's do the robot next.
Some people settle for the typical thing, living all their life waiting.
I want to see your favorite 90s throwback move.
Just a matter of time before I move to the front of the line. Once you're watching every move that I make.
Alright, sing along if you know the words, everybody. You stand out, Disney Dream.
Even if I gotta shout out loud, somebody's the only face you see. Gonna stand out.
Goofy's coming over.
Are they gonna do it?
They are.
It's the perfect cast!
Listen to each other. Find we're never too far apart. Maybe love is the reason why. For the first time ever seen it
That was so cool. We should all do Max's favorite dance move. It's the MC Hammer.
one. I know that you'll understand. Maybe we
Back to that robot we did earlier. Do you remember it? Alright everyone, if you know the perfect cast, do it with us. And here we go.
listen to each other. Too far apart. Maybe love is the reason why. For the first time ever seen it.
They have me at yellow!
Let's see who's up next in this rainbow rave.
Representing green! I think Grace is gonna keep this one going with its traditional song.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.